I'm Ethereum.
Huh?
Y'all see that shit? We trying to see if we could do this. Now, I don't know if it's gonna work, but see if we can make this shit. Fuck it, here we go. Yeah! You know what? They said word on the street you're gonna become Ethereum. What's the word with that shit? Ella?
You're already Ethereum. I'll be Teddy's partner.
I'm Ethereum?
Huh? 2 moments later.
Let me know if y'all want me to sell this shit deadass, cause I'll deadass sell it.
Well, no fucking shit.
With hot Cheetos this time. And jalapito, fam. Alright, we'll be back, comadres. A panic attack? What the hell is going on? That's all I did.
Do it.
Like, oh my shit, bro. Damn, we not locked in. We have got our fucking chorizo, deadass. Bow. It's all plain and shit, but here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yo, what was that face?
There we go, look.
Chop-chop's right there.
This is the official taste test. Here we go. So what I'm saying, mans know how to cook, deadass, real shit. Esa es, comadres. And that's pretty much about it. I charge $150 an hour for private chef, so let me know, deadass. Look, this is what you would be getting.
Not for real.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Ruining my video.
Andas valiendo, verga.